Hello, everyone. This is Adam Meister, the Bitcoin Meister, the Disrupt Meister. Welcome to a very special edition of the One Bitcoin Show. Today is April the 20th, 420. Some people celebrate that day for some reason. Strong hand. Long-term thinking. Be a unique beast at CoinBeast Media. Coinbeast.com. Check them out. I'm over there. You can talk to me at coinbeast.com/connect. This is your home for Bitcoin insider information, and I am going to explain the 210,000 block theory today. This is something I talk about quite often, and I'm going to tell you how to determine how much Bitcoin was worth 210,000 blocks ago in terms of dollars and what day that took place on. Now, some people say, well, 210,000 blocks, that's 4 years ago, or it's 46 months ago. Well, you can get precise if you actually look up the block number, okay? If you figure it all out. So I am going to explain how to do that right now to everyone here on YouTube and everyone on TikTok. Yes, again, CoinBeast Media on TikTok. I am live right now. You can ask questions that pertain to this explainer on YouTube or here on TikTok. And again, CoinBeast Media, coinbeast.com/connect. Get John to sell you this shirt. I know everyone loves these freaking shirts. And CoinBeast Media, be in motion. Start selling these shirts that I'm wearing for you guys. Everyone loves them. Okay, so where do you have to go first for this? Let's explain 210,000 block theory real quick. You can pick any day in the history of Bitcoin and subtract 210,000 blocks from it, and Bitcoin is worth more. Okay? So today is we said it's April the 20th, 2021. Let's subtract 210,000 blocks from today and see that Bitcoin right now at $56,393 or whatever it is worth more than it was 4 years ago. 210,000 blocks ago. Exactly. Not 4 years ago, 210,000 blocks. So go to blockchain.com/explorer. blockchain.com/explorer. All right, so there. Can you see that? Well, anyway, you go to blockchain.com/explorer, and you see on that page 9938. Okay, so that's block 679,938. Okay, 679,938 is what block we are on right now. So you subtract 210,000 from there. That's a very simple calculation right there. So 679,938 minus 210 is 469,938. So let's write that down. 469,938. All right. So what you do at that point, you've got 469,938. That's 210,000 blocks ago. All right. So you scroll up. You're still on the same page. You didn't leave it. In the search box, you just type in that block number. That is all you do. In the search box, you type in 469,938. You push return, and it says there are 3 blockchains with results, and you picked BTC because that is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is the next Bitcoin. Pound that like button. What comes up? Block 469,938. And it says that it took place on June the 5th, 2017. June the 5th, 2017. It was mined by Antpool. Okay. And you can see all this information about it. But it doesn't say the price there. It doesn't say the price. It tells you the day. So you can say, well, Bitcoin is worth more than it was on June the 5th, 2017. So what you do then is you go to CoinGecko.com. CoinGecko.com. You click on Bitcoin, all right? And everything is linked to below, people. All these links are linked to below, including an explanation of the 210,000 block theory for Bitcoin. You go to CoinGecko.com, you select Bitcoin. Then you select historical data, and you pick a time range that includes that date, June the 5th, 2017. All right? And you scroll down, and you see, well, how much was it worth on June the 5th, 2017? You see that 210,000 blocks ago, exactly, it opened the day at $2,721, and it closed at $2,903. And of course, both of those numbers are a lot less than Bitcoin's current price. And then you can see, how did Bitcoin perform the next day? And the next day, and the next day, and the next day, because CoinGecko shows you, so it was just jumping around 2,700, 2,500, 2,900 for a while. So maybe you conclude, well, if Bitcoin follows its exact pattern for that month time period, maybe it'll just jump around whatever price it's at now. I don't know. Yet that's taking 210,000 block theory to an extreme. But the base of it, again, is that you can subtract 210,000 blocks from any date. And so you can just pick a date like, January 22nd, 2019. See what the block was on that date.
Now, if you want to see what Bitcoin was worth on a random day, again, like January 26, 2019, you want to see what block it was at that day, and then subtract 210,000 blocks from that block, and to see if it was worth more then. So what you have to do, it's a little harder. You stay at blockchain.com/explorer, okay? And you see that, again, it says latest blocks, but you could click on view all blocks, and it lists, the last pages and pages of blocks. It goes back 9 hours on the first page. So you've got to figure out, oh my God, what page is 2019 on? What page is January 26, 2019 on? So where you type in the URL at the top of your browser, it says blockchain.com/BTC/blocks ? Page equals 1. So you've got to assume it's got to be like page equals 100. So you replace the 1 with 100 and see where it takes you. And it takes you, it takes you, it only takes you back to March of this year. So you got to even go back further. You got to what number is going to take me back to January 2019? Let's try 1,000. And that only takes you back to 2020, a year ago. So you figure, well, what's going to take me back to 2018? It's probably page 3,000, okay? So you type in 3,000 up there. And indeed, there you are. It says the 6th, what's it say? June the 30th, 2018. Well, we want June 26th, 2018. So we got to assume, let's pick another day. Page 3,000, we got to go back further. Let's say it's, 35, page 3,500 here. So where does that take us? And oh, wow, that takes us to January the 19th of 2018. But we want January 26th. So we've gone back too far. So let's get a lesser number there. 30. Let's pick 34. And again, I'm doing this live. 3477. And yep, there we go. January 26th. So on January 26, 2018, it was block 506144. 506144. So you subtract. You can look up that price, whatever it was on January 26, 2018, but you want to know what was 210,000 blocks before that. So 506,144 minus 210 is I'm doing this in my head. It's easy to do. It is, what is that? 290,000 it's 296,144. Okay, that's 210,000 blocks before 506,144 is 296,000. All right, that is correct. So we'll look it up. What day was that? Okay, it was. So the 210,000 blocks before January 26, 2018 was, drum roll please, April the 16th, 2014. April the 16th, 2014. And of course, yeah, it was, trust me, it was worth more on January 26, 2018 than it was on April the 16th of 2014.
That is the end of the show, everyone. Pound that like button. I'm Adam Meister, the BitcoinMeister, the DisruptMeister. And again, subscribe to Coinbase Media on TikTok and on Twitter. And I'm on Clubhouse now as BitcoinMeister. And of course, I am on Twitter, Adam Meister, TechBalt, TechBalt. I hope you guys like that little explainer. It's a little different. I don't usually do those. So see you guys later. Bye-bye.